writing your essays. Okay, and now prove you belong. So what I'm saying here is that you need to demonstrate that there's no better place for you to get an education than the place that you're applying. Now, this is going to look different for every school, right? And so it's going to require some research on your part. The little card in the bottom right there. So it turns out that being an adult is mostly just Googling how to do stuff. So, a similar idea applies for applying to graduate schools. You just need to be doing a lot of Googling, figuring out, what are the benefits of me going to each program that I'm applying to. And so you can form a compelling case for each school. And then how the university fits for you is just as important as how you fit with the university. And so, it's not just about whether you're a qualified applicant, but it's what can that university provide for you? What opportunities that they have that will, enrich your experience as a student there. So once again, this takes research, just finding very specific things about universities. So to use an example, when I was applying to some graduate schools, some schools had like water policy departments and faculty members that were experts in water policy. And while that's not my, immediate work because I don't work on policy, that would be a great resource to me as a graduate student. And that was something that I really valued in those institutions, but I wouldn't have known that unless I just started searching at all these schools, whether they had, professors in water policy. And so that's one way I made a case for going to a particular institution. One thing not to do is don't base your school list or, why you want to apply for a certain school just based on the rankings in the U.S. News and World Report. While it is helpful for you to get an idea of where you want to apply, there's not enough goes into those rankings.